Hello good people, we're going to be making mostaccioli today. This is a stuffed biscuit traditionally baked in my hometown for the Christmas period. Making the mostaccioli dough is super easy. All you need is a bowl and a spoon, and you mix all the ingredients together until nice and smooth. I'm going to be showing you how to shape mostaccioli. We'll cut half of the dough, set aside one half for later, and just work on half right now. We lightly flour our baking paper and roll the pastry down to about 5 mm thickness. The objective is to get it to about 30 centimeters by 10, so we want to create a nice long rectangle of dough. You can use the baking paper at the bottom to help moving it around. This is roughly the shape you want to get. And now I'm going to show you how to make the mostaccioli filling. For the mostaccioli filling, loosen up the quince paste with rum, mix everything together, then chill it in the fridge. So you can take the filling that has been resting in the fridge and just place it in the middle. Now, using the baking paper to help, lift one of the flaps of the dough and roll it over the filling. Secure it in place. Do the same with the top half of the dough until you wrap the filling in pastry. Now, using the baking paper, flip the whole log over so that the seam sits at the bottom. Like so. Squash it down with the palm of your hand to about 3 centimeters thickness. Cut your biscuits at an angle so that each one is shaped like a diamond, about 5 to 6 centimeters wide each. Discard the ends and you've got 6 beautifully shaped mostaccioli. And you're going to be repeating exactly the same process with the other half of the dough to make 12 biscuits in total. Once our biscuits are nice and cool, it's time to give them a good chocolate coating. Holding up our biscuits upside down, we dunk them in the melted chocolate, drop them on some baking paper and let them set. To me, nothing screams Christmas more than the smell of the spices in mostaccioli. Although they're made for Christmas, they're perfect any time of the year. Salute! Oh, this is good.